Okay, just to finish off this part of the tutorial, I'm going to ask it to initialize a repo, which is a repository to save your code. These are very valuable to be able to share your code as well as keep versions, just in case you lose any copies. So you want to initialize your GitHub repo and push this code. Ahead of this video, I'll add basic instructions on how to install GitHub command line, which will be necessary. And I recommend you actually just run that yourself and do the authentication outside of the chatbot. In my experience, that process can be a bit buggy. Okay. Great. So we see bring out this viewer, the docs, how to install it, how to run it locally. Okay, and so we see the source here is quite funny because that's the local source. I'm going to go back here and say, actually just provide and what's really nice is you don't really need to know how to use GitHub. Once you have this set up, you'll be able to interact with your repository through an agent, which will streamline things and help you actually push code more frequently, which is always good to do. There we go. So it's updated the source in the README to Allen Institute. Great. Okay.